Okay, let's talk about reporting. You know, it's supposed to be this amazing tool that helps you make smart decisions, right? But let's be real. More often than not, it just becomes this black hole that sucks up all your team's time and energy. So today, we're going to look at how you can completely flip that script.
I mean, does this sound painfully familiar? Your HR team is just drowning, spending hours, heck, sometimes even days, wrestling with data just to get those basic monthly reports out the door. It's a massive resource strain, and believe me, it happens pretty much everywhere.
And it usually looks like this four-part trap. First, you're trying to pull data from all over the place, turnover stats from one system, headcount changes from another. Then comes the fun part, manually cleaning all those messy spreadsheets. Ugh. After that, you're building the reports from the ground up, and finally, you format it all into a nice presentation. And by the time anyone actually sees it, the information's already old news. Okay, so that's the painful reality for a lot of us. But what if you could flip that entire workflow on its head? What if you could actually make the process work for you, instead of you working for the process? Well, this is that shift. It's all about automation. So instead of that nightmare of manual data wrangling, you have a single script that just does the work. Instead of juggling a dozen different platforms that don't talk to each other, you have one process that connects to them all. And the result? Your insights stop being a history lesson and become real-time, actionable intelligence you can actually use now. So what does this actually look like in practice? Get ready for this. Reports are generated 90% faster. Seriously, just let that number sink in for a second. 90%. That's not just an improvement, that is a complete game changer.
But look, this is about so much more than just speed. It's a total transformation of what your team can do. Accuracy and consistency, they just become the new standard. Your HR team gets to stop being data processors and start being strategic analysts. And your execs, they get the real-time insights they actually need to lead. It unlocks all this time for stuff that really matters, and your compliance records are always ready to go.
So I'll leave you with this one question to chew on. Just forget about reporting for a second. What could your team really achieve with 90% more time? What are those huge, high-value projects you could finally bring to life? Think about it.